Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh hit out at the Congress Party Vice President Rahul Gandhi for not following the SPG protocol and not taking either a bulletproof vehicle or not informing the SPG in time about his movements. In Parliament, Rajnath Singh gave out details of how many times standard operating procedures were not followed. He did ask Rahul Gandhi some uncomfortable questions. Let's take a look.
A straight question by Rajnath Singh. Why does the Congress Vice President avoid his security detail when he travels abroad? The attack accompanied by an insinuation. What is Rahul Gandhi hiding? The Home Minister's barb came in the course of him making a statement on this attack. A rock thrown at Rahul Gandhi's car when he was touring a flood-affected area of Gujarat. After the rock attack in Banaskantha, the Congress and the government were at loggerheads. Allegations flew of a murder attempt. The Gujarat government replied by calling the whole episode a drama. Now the centre has taken the attack further by accusing Rahul Gandhi of deliberately short-circuiting his security apparatus.
When Rahul Gandhi went to Gujarat, there was adequate provisions of security being taken care of by SPG as well as by the state government of Gujarat. He did not follow the protocol and he addressed the gatherings where he was not scheduled to. He got down where he was not scheduled to.
अफसोस की बात है कि गुजरात पे जानलेवा हमला राहुल गांधी जी पर होता है और देश के गृह मंत्री उसको किस तरह का उन्होंने भाषा का प्रयोग किया. अफसोस की बात है, गंभीरता इस सरकार में नहीं है.
He has given us a very diversionary response, rambling over considerable length and talking about how he has not always wanted to take protection, how he's gone abroad without protection. I mean, the threat is in the BJP-ruled state of Gujarat. It is not in foreign countries that he is facing the same threat.
The Home Minister's statement in Parliament was accompanied by vehement sloganeering by the Congress. But with his comment today, it's clear, on the issue of Rahul's security, the gloves are off. Bureau Report, India Today.